Hi friends, today I want to show you this product that are my new shelf liners that came in this box, and are 40 of them in this box. The best part are that these shelf liners are of different colors, and you can use it in all your home, like inside of your drawers, like a cupboard, in a show cabinet, like a bookcase, in your table, or in your fridge. So as you can see, are multifunctional, are easy to clean, and are great and waterproof and food grade material. That is a great thing because you can use it in any part of your house. I mean, these colors is like blue, green, yellow, pink, and these ones that are like transparent. So you can use it in your table, and like was one of these ones here, or you can use it, as I say, in your drawers, furniture, fridge. So let me show you how to use it, and then you can look how it works. So now we are in my kitchen because I want to show you how to use your shelf liners. And you can use one over my microwave, and then I can put some things here, or I can use it in this part to put it right here and put all these things over my shelf liner. Here, where are my plates? So I'm gonna put these ones out, and I'm gonna use the yellow. So the best part is that you can cut your shelf liner to make it and the size you need in your home. So you can use this in inside your fridge too. So this way, because my shelf liner are easy cleaning. So if I use it in the fridge, it's more easy clean my shelf liner than these parts of my fridge. So as you can see, looks clean and looks perfect. And you can use it too in other parts of your house, like furniture of your living room, when you put your books, or in any surface that you want to protect for any damage. I highly recommend you shelf liners to do that. See you.